Hey folks, Fast Freddy D here. We're on the Oswegatchie River. This is site 37. Not a bad site. Again, the water's high, so it's a bad time. This is normally where people get in and out. Looks like it'd be a little bit treacherous right now. Take a look at this site. It's pretty much bare bottom. I'm not seeing any signs leading to a privy. We'll do a little walk around here. If I find a privy, I'll show the way in. If not, then there most likely isn't one. Again, bare bottoms here. I'm gonna look around. I don't really, there's a spot here. You could see, yeah, there's a few places to put up tents. Wouldn't be a bad hammock site. Nice place right here by the water. Here we'll do a slow pan of the place. Looks like there's some nice trails to do some walking around. Mark's out there just plodding around. Got a grill. There's a nice little creek that runs out right beside this with some cool little beaver dams. Still some snow on the ground, you can see. It's early April. I'm not seeing a privy. This is a pretty heavy trail though. I'll take a walk back. But if I don't find a privy, this is it. If you like this sort of video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Sorry folks, no privy here. At least not that I could find.